Wagwan family, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican style oven baked barbecue chicken. So this is a whole 5 pound chicken. I cut it and clean it and wash it with lime and vinegar. I season with my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning, green seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, ginger powder, paprika, and pimento. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for an hour. To make the barbecue glaze, I'm going to start off with butter, chopped onions, garlic, saute. Here I'm adding some fresh thyme. Now I'm going to add some fresh scallions. Here adding some pimentos. Here adding some ketchup, some BBQ sauce, a little bit of black pepper, some pineapple juice, a pinch of grace browning. Here I add some black pepper. Allow it to simmer. Now take off the stove and strain. So now I take out the chicken after 1 hour, just going to glaze them with the sauce and put back inside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the chicken is ready to serve. Look at that, my people. The whole cooking time is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Nice and tasty. Yeah, man.